In the race for quantum supremacy, China has just made a jaw-dropping breakthrough. Meet the Zhuchengji 3, a 105-qubit quantum processor that reportedly performs calculations 1 quadrillion times faster than today's most powerful supercomputers. This isn't just a step forward, it's a quantum leap. But what does this mean for the future of computing, cybersecurity, and global technology dominance? Let's break it all down. First up, China's quantum mastery. China's been pushing hard in quantum tech. Seriously hard. We're talking billions invested, national research campaigns, and a hyper-focused mission to outpace the rest of the world. The University of Science and Technology of China, or USTC, is leading the charge. Their latest creation, Zhuchengji 3, is turning heads everywhere. But before we get to what makes it so special, let's back up and see how we got here. Quick quantum history lesson. Remember when Google made headlines in 2019 with Sycamore, their 53-qubit processor? That machine solved a problem in 200 seconds that would have taken a classical supercomputer 10,000 years. It was the shot heard round the quantum world. But just a few years later, USTC researchers showed they could duplicate that feat using classical computers. It only took 14 seconds. So it became clear, the quantum race was far from over. Now with Zhuchengji 3, China's not just keeping pace, they're setting it. 105 qubits, 182 couplers. That's not just a bigger number, that's exponentially more computational power. And it's not just about adding more qubits, what really matters is how stable and precise those qubits are. Let's talk numbers that matter. Zhuchengji 3 rocks a coherence time of 72 microseconds. That's the window where its quantum magic actually works. The longer, the better. And check this out. Gate fidelity, how accurately it can do quantum operations, is 99.90% for single qubit gates and 99.62% for 2-qubit gates. That's ultra-high accuracy, and it's absolutely critical for real-world quantum computing. But here's the jaw-dropper speed. Zhuchengji 3 completed an 83-qubit, 32-layer random circuit sampling task in seconds. And to put that in perspective, the world's fastest classical supercomputer, Frontier, would take an estimated 6.4 billion years to finish the same job. Let that sink in. That's the difference between a brisk walk and the lifespan of the planet. So what does all this mean for the world? Quantum supremacy isn't just a bragging right. It's a potential game changer for cybersecurity, global communications, even military defense. A true quantum computer could break current encryption in no time, making everything from your bank account to government secrets vulnerable. That's why the stakes are so high. The US, IBM, and Google are all sprinting in this race, but with Zhuchengji 3, China's making the world take notice. Is this the dawn of a new tech Cold War? Maybe, but don't get me wrong, quantum computers aren't perfect yet. They're mind-blowingly sensitive. They need to be kept at temperatures colder than space. And error correction? Still a massive challenge. Without it, even the most powerful quantum machines can spit out nonsense. So what's next? Researchers are laser-focused on building quantum networks. Think ultra-secure communications. They're working on fault-tolerant quantum computers, which means more stable, reliable machines. And maybe the most exciting? Quantum AI fusion. Imagine artificial intelligence on quantum steroids, solving problems that today's computers can barely scratch. China's breakthrough with Zhuchengji 3 could be the start of a new era. But are we on the brink of a quantum revolution, or is practical quantum tech still years away? Only time will tell. Quantum computing is evolving at lightning speed, and the stakes never been higher. Will China's Zhuchengji 3 define the future, or will someone else catch up? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this deep dive, hit like, share, and subscribe to DefSciTech for more cutting-edge tech and defense stories. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the future.